Hi, my fellow adventurers. Yep, I'm Teacher Sarah here, and I will be doing the video lesson, the video guide with you. And our theme for this video is ocean life. Yeah, we learn about the octopus, we learn about the shark, and we did our Play-Doh ocean life, right, lesson. So now we're coming to the fourth lesson in this theme. And today we are going to learn about the turtle. All right, so let me share screen. So for this video guide lesson, we're going to learn about the turtle. And turtle is really a very beautiful creature. All right, it's a very beautiful creature. Can you see? They live on land and they do live in the underwater as well. See how they swim. All right, okay. I'll just show you swimming under the water. It looks really very peaceful, right? Okay, let's go to the next slide. Now, our lesson is about the sea turtle. Now, if you know, there is tortoise and there is turtle, but these two are really very different. You want to know what's the difference? The main difference the very obvious difference you can see is the legs. A tortoise, they usually walk on land, so you can see their feet is something like this, like a dinosaur feet. Whereas for the turtle, their feet is like flippers, so they can actually swim under the sea. Another very obvious difference between the tortoise and the turtle is the shell. For tortoise, the shell is more rounded. For turtle, the shell is more flat. It's more flat. All right. But however, both of them are actually from the same species, which is the reptile. So, teacher Cheryl is going to show you next slide, and you tell me what is that? Is it a turtle or is it a tortoise? Okay. Let's go to the next slide. Now, what do you think this is? A turtle or a tortoise? Oh, this tortoise or this turtle is yawning, so cute. So the first thing we can see is the here. From here, we know that this is a tortoise. This is a tortoise. Okay. All right. Let's go to the next one. Let's see the next one. They move so slow. Okay, that's so. What about this? From here, you can see the legs here looks like a flipper. Looks like a flipper, right? So this is obviously a turtle. And another obvious difference is tortoise usually lives on land or fresh water, whereas turtle, sea turtle, usually lives in, usually you can find them in the sea. All right. Okay, let's see. I have another one. This one. What do you think? What do you think? And usually tortoise is on land, yeah. Okay, this one is obvious. It looks pretty obvious as well. It does looks like a tortoise, okay, tortoise. And next one, it's not very obvious for you all. Obviously, it's a turtle because it is in the sea, right? They're pretty, very cute creature, I would say. How they swim. See how they swim, the flippers there. Yeah. All right. Okay. Finish the video. Okay, let's go to the next slide. All right, shall we learn a little bit about the turtle life cycle? So obviously, turtle is a reptile. So turtle lays eggs. So when the egg hatch, it becomes a hatchling, like a baby. Okay, like a baby. Then they become a teenager, which is called the juvenile. All right, the juvenile, when you grow up, become koko and jeje. It's like the koko and jeje lah. So they call the juvenile, or in other words, called kakak or abang. All right. Then after that, they will grow up to become an adult like mommy, daddy. All right, so this is the life cycle of a turtle. Same goes to tortoise. The life cycle is also the same. Tortoise also lay eggs and then it hatch and then it grows up to become a koko cheche and then also become mommy daddy. Okay. And you see how turtle lay eggs? They usually go up to the land. They dig hole. They dig hole and then this is how they dig the hole. Digging the hole and then they will lay eggs in the hole. So after they lay eggs, what happens? It will hatch, become called the hatchling. These are all the hatchling. So cute. After the hatchling hatch under the dirt or the sand, they will come out from the dirt or from the sand. All right, see how they crawl out. Pretty cute, huh? So, okay. Would you like to know what they eat? So turtle or tortoise, they eat the similar kind of food. Vegetable, fish, aquatic plants, which also consider vegetables or flowers. So these are what tortoise or turtle, okay, or turtle, sea turtles eat. All right, so yeah, and yes, turtles or tortoise, they belongs to the reptiles, which is the same species as the snake, as the crocodile, as the what is this called? Lizard. They are all from the reptile family. All right. So I'm going to stop screen here, stop share here, and we are going into our creative activity. So I'm going to on my camera here. Wait. Here I am, and on the other camera for you. Let me put side by side. Gallery. Okay, so these are the things you need to bring out from your craft box. These are the leftover things that you need to bring out from your craft box because this is the 4th lesson. All right, so I'm just going to pin this part here. Okay, so yeah, we're going to do turtle. Okay, so we need this box. We're going to build a diorama, a box turtle art, turtle craft. Okay, so in this box there is Joy has cut out a art block here. Okay, for you to do your piece of artwork here. Okay, so I have one extra. Okay, so yeah, bring this art block out. I'm just going to do a drawing, so I'm going to put my box here first. So the next thing we're going to use is this clay. This is clay, blue and yellow clay. Do bring out your pebbles, your shell, because we're going to decorate the box. We're going to decorate the box, okay? These are the things that you used last week in your Play-Doh. So this is your corals. We need glue. We do need glue. All right, we do need glue. And this round piece of pebbles, white pebbles. So these white pebbles we're going to make is for the turtle shell. Okay, for the turtle shell. And then yeah, okay. This black clay, I'm just going to put the clay aside first. We're going to start doing our painting first. So yes, if you need painting, you do need to bring out your color patch. All right, your color patch. So since it's painting, we are going to need brush. So do prepare your brush and water. All right, do prepare your brush and water. Teacher Sarah has to go and prepare the brush and water. On top of that, you need your marker pen. All right, if you're not confident enough yet, you can use pencil first. You can use pencil first, okay? So I'm going to get my water. So I have my water here. Okay, I put aside here first. Okay, put aside here first. What I'm going to use, something. What I'm going to use is, I'm going to use my leftover color patch. Okay, I'm just going to use my leftover color patch. But if you do not have your leftover, you can use a new one. Okay, you can use a new one. So I'm just going to use my leftover one. But I put aside first. All right, so we are going into painting first. Okay, so the scene for here today we're going to paint is since it's ocean turtle, so turtle do swims in the ocean, right? So when they lay eggs, where do they go? They go up to the land. So we're going to paint half in the sea and half in the land. Okay, so you can draw a line here using your pencil. All right. Half, you want to draw half like this also can. You want to draw one line half here also can. You want to draw a line down here also can. It's really totally up to you. So we're going to draw one side is water, one side is land. All right. So teacher Sarah wants to do, I haven't decided. Okay, half like this. So what I'm going to do here is my land and here is my water. Okay. If you want to do here water, it's totally fine. Here land is totally fine. It's really, really up to you. But if you want to follow teacher Sarah, also can. All right. So let's go into painting. So I got my painting. So the land, which is the sand, what color would it be? It would be brown, correct? Usually it's brown. So I'm going to color brown here. Brown here. So what I need to do is I color this side here brown because I want this to be my land. Remember your brush stroke. If you decided to color left and right, you maintain that left and right, all right? Color this stroke here, so I need old newspaper, so I don't touch my paper. Okay, I put the old newspaper there. Now this is very, very hard to find old newspaper. Okay, so I'm going to paint one direction, yeah, one direction. Okay, slowly paint. Scrub. The more you rub the colors, the more strong the colors will be. Left background here, spread the colors, spread the paint. And so finishing up here. The brown, this brown quite nice. I kind of like the brown. If you do not have old newspaper, you can use rough paper. Don't forget, you need to hold one part of the paper so that paper won't move here and there. See, imagine if you don't hold the paper, you see what happens. The paper is moving here and there. So do hold one part of the paper and then you paint. Okay, painting one direction. You see, I painted one direction. I didn't paint up, down, left, right. Right? I just paint one direction because you can see the brush stroke. If you paint everywhere, circle and then up, down, and then left, right, you can see your brush stroke is everywhere. Okay, so spread my colors brown. More. Within your colors, you want a darker color, you can color darker. Another layer lah. Color another layer, okay? So, all right, I finished my brown there. So next, the top part here, I want it to be the ocean. So the ocean, what color would that be? Blue. So I'm putting blue color. Maybe on blue. But more, I want my blue to be really vibrant. So color from here and down. Right. Rubbing the blue. Again, can you see I color one direction as well? Rubbing my blue here. Oops. Keep my tripod again. Lucky I bought a new tripod, so lucky my tripod is stable. Yeah, brushing. You see again, I do one direction, left and right, left and right. If you decided left and right, continue painting left and right. Okay. So I have left a little more to go. it up here. And then finish. I'm done with the ocean. So I have the beach lah, the beach, okay? The sand here, and then we have the ocean there. Alright, so still got big white spots. Make sure there's no white spots. Okay, and then here I'm done. Put my brush aside. I still need to use the brush later. I still need to do painting. So up next, I'm going to do I put this away first. Okay, put this away. Up next, I'm going to do the turtle. This will be the turtle shell. Alright, so this, you will have 3 juvenile turtle. 3 koko jeje or abang adik, abang kakak turtle and 1 mommy turtle. Okay, so here, this is the turtle shell. So you're gonna draw some pattern for your turtle shell. Any pattern you would like, any pattern, okay? By using the marker pen. So if you don't have the confidence yet, you scared you make mistake, you can always use the pencil first, okay? So here I am, just going to do for mommy, I'm just going to do some curve like this. Alright, curve. This is for one of the mommy shell. Then after I draw the line, I'm going to color it, right? So for one of the koko, maybe I do some circle. Alright, it's really up to you what pattern you want. Don't draw too complicated because you will have a hard time coloring it, painting it, okay? This one I think I just do a triangle shape. So it could be any design you like. Make it simple. Really make it simple. Don't draw too many strokes. Don't draw too many strokes, okay? For this one, what should I do? I just draw one glove. See how simple is it? Okay, I'm just going to draw it here. So next, I'm going to paint it. I need my brush. I use paper also. Okay, brush, and I am going to paint this first. So what color would I want to paint? You can color in color. In this green color. And then my shell here. Yeah, I'm colorful for this. So slowly color, okay? And color for the shell. Maybe add some red. Oh no, I don't have red for this. Good red here. Good red here. Oops. Gosh, it's good dirty. Let's scrub the red. I'm able to scrub up the red. Yeah, I can. Color the red. Color yellow. Over here. I'm going to add some orange over here. Not enough. Not enough. Okay, so this will be my shell. Or daddy shell. Okay, put aside. Next, I'm going to color this. What I'm going to do is I'm going to color all black with yellow polka dots. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to color it all black. I'm going to black because I didn't wrap it hard enough. I'm going to color it all black. Yeah. And then we're going to add yellow polka dots. That's yellow polka dots. Brush. Yellow polka dots here. Okay. Finish this part. I'm going to put aside. So I'm going to do this now. What color should I do? I'm going to do pink. I'm going to do pink on the outside. Oh yeah, my pink is not coming up. So I'm going to rub it harder. Rub really, really hard. If you have magic colors, when you use magic colors, it's also okay. Yeah? Pink in blue. I'm going to change color. I'm going to use red. I'm not very happy with the pink. I'm going to use red. Yeah, that's what it is. So whole stone. I'm going to color inside orange. I'm going to color inside orange. You notice I try to avoid green color because later the head and the legs I'm going to use green. So I'm trying to avoid green color. And next here, this one, what I'm going to do is I color outside yellow and inside I'm going to color red. Okay. So inside here, red, and then I'm done here. Okay, done here. Finish coloring. So I'm going to put my brush in the water away just in case I spill it and cover it first. Close it. The good thing about using this kind of container is I'm able to close so that I won't spill it. So okay, I finish this. I'm put the paper away. So I'm going to stick the shell on here. So I'm going to put my turtle here. There's my glue. The turtle shell. Later we go into doing the head and the leg with the clay, okay? I'm going to put glue, that's why you need the glue. Put glue over here. Okay. Glue here. Okay. Let's put some glue over here. And the glue here. Alright. Okay, we finish. Not done yet. We finished the shell on it. So up next, we are going to do the head and the legs. So teacher Sarah has actually prepared this yellow and green and white and blue clay. So what we are going to do here is we are going to mix the colors. So yellow and blue. Let's mix it together. Okay, bring out these two. Mix it together. So if you want a lighter green, you use more yellow. All right, I want a lighter green, so I use more yellow. I'm taking out more yellow. Okay, taking out more yellow. The balance I put aside. If you want darker green, then you use more blue. Mix it here. See? Okay, I'm gonna mix it here. Can you see it's moving? Yeah, keep on stretching it. One thing about this clay, the more you stretch, the softer the clay will be. So keep on stretching it until it turns green. Okay, so the more you stretch, the softer the clay will be. Okay, so here, let's go into their flippers, their legs. All right, so each turtle has 4 legs. So we do 4 legs for each turtle, okay? So for mommy leg, it will be slightly bigger. So I take out 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, how to do the legs? Always roll into a ball. Make it slightly longer. And then you curl it with the letter C or a letter U. All right? All right? Okay. Next to the shell. Go into a ball, make it slightly long, curl it, and then put side by side. You repeat. Repeat. Remember, you have to put side by side to the shell. Huh? If not, the legs and the shell is like putus, like broke. So we make the 4 legs and go into this. So for this, we make it smaller legs. Huh? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I'll pick up the each 4 first. 2, 3, 4. If Teacher Sarah is too slow, you can always pause my video. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Alright. So I have each has 4 already. Make it slightly long, curvy, and sticky. So we just do the legs first. And then you add on the head and the tail. I hope you can follow. So cute. All of that has legs already. Okay. One pokok. And you do the chiche now. Chiche. 3. And 3, lift up the shell. So lift up the shell and then put the feet under and then you just press it down. Okay, you can do that as well if your glue hasn't dried. Alright, if your glue hasn't dried, you can lift it up, lift up the shell and then you press it down. Okay. So again, lift up the shell and then press it down. Alright, and it's done with all the legs. All the legs. Next is we're going to do the head. Okay, can you see? Can you see? So next we're going to do the head now. So yeah. So I do how many heads we need? Since got 4. 1, 2. So it's bigger, so I'm going to give 4 mommy. So remember the mommy head's bigger. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. So the mommy head is bigger. Go into 4. And then you press it down here. See? Press it down. You see? Should pick a bit. Into 4. Okay. Or walking towards the sea. Or the turtle is walking towards the sea. Okay. And go into 4. Down here. Alright. And then lastly, the tail. So tail really very tiny. Make it pointy like this, and then you put the top. Okay. Tiny one. Pointy. And here. Pointy. And last one. Oh, you're so cute. I really find it very cute. With the pointy. Okay. So we finish up the turtle. I have this black clay. What's this black clay for? It's for the eyes. So we make eyes for the turtle. You don't want to make the eyes, it's also fine. You want to make also fine. 10. So for the eyes, you just pick out small one. Yeah. Go into 4. And then put it on the head here. Small. Go into 4. Really, really tiny. Okay. Really tiny, small one on top here. On top here. You see? Tiny, 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 tiny ball. Sugar here. If I'm too fast and if you're tired, you can pause my video and then yeah. Okay. So I'm done here with the turtle. So after you're done, what next? You can put it inside your box here. Yeah, you can put glue in your box and then you put it inside here. Okay. Alright. See. Let me push up here. See. Or you can use this clay as well. Use clay to stick it. Finish this type. See. All right. So next, what is this for? Stick the seashell. All right. And pebbles. over here. Okay, with the glue. So I'm just going to brush the glue here. Then I'm going to stick my pebbles and seashell. Oh, what is this called? The chorus is will be under the sea. So the chorus you don't have to see. See, so many rubbish. So I'm going to take this mess. Where's my brush? I was looking for the brush. I'm just going to put at the end here. Okay. All right. You can see. Let me try to zoom in. Okay, now, so I'm going to stick the pebbles. So I'm going to put glue. Brush. Put the glue. Be generous with the glue. Alright. You have to use white glue to stick the pebbles. Over here. I'm going to put seashell as well. I have to be very generous with the glue. So put as much glue as possible. See? Really a lot of glue. Glue. Okay, I think it's good enough already. Okay, I'll put on more pebbles. Since I have one. And then actually we are done here. Let's see, still some water. So yes, that's your okay. So when you finish, you can cover the plastic bag and then hang it in your room. Okay, all right. So that's all for this video. I really do hope you enjoy this activity, and I see you again. Bye bye.